Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to add your booking appointment calendar to your website. So if you're like many small businesses, maybe you offer a service like grooming or lawn care or massage therapy, you probably have a way that you keep your appointments together. Now, if you're using a service like Calendly, which by the way has a free option, so it might be something to look into if you're not using a calendar already, but you may have a calendar where you keep things and where you may want to allow people to book appointments with you directly, right, online. So it's really nice to tell people to go to your business website and book an appointment on your website. So in order to do that, you can do that in a number of different ways. So first of all, you can add the link to your main menu. So let's just say you want to add a link that says book appointment. And then what I would do is choose the link, and I'm going to copy the link to my appointment booking calendar, paste it in there, confirm, click on add it to the menu, save menu. So there we go. So now I've got a link here that says book appointment. When I click on that, it goes right here to my calendar. So I can just send people to my business website and say, click on book an appointment and book it there. Now it also shows up here. Now you can edit that to only have it show up in one place or the other, however you want to do that, but it's super easy to do. Now, if I scroll down to the call to action, so I may want to also have it be in my call to action. So here I can go into the button text and edit that to book appointment, or, depending on your type of business, you may want to call it, schedule. Let's just say schedule service. So something of that nature so people know this is how they book with you. Similar, I'm going to go over and click on link to another website. I'm going to paste my appointment booking calendar in there, click save, close it. And now if someone clicks on this, similar, they're invited directly to schedule an appointment on my booking software. So really simple, easy way to link your appointment booking calendar with your Mighty Sites website. That way you can just tell customers, hey, go to my website and you'll find the link to book an appointment or schedule service with my business.